Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say the verb to damage in French. How do you go about pronouncing this verb? This means to damage or to spoil or to ruin or to break, but it's more really to damage, not breaking something entirely, but just to damage it a little bit. So how do you go about pronouncing this? Abîmer, abîmer, abîmer. Pretty straightforward once you know abîmer, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more French words whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. Let me know in the comments if this was useful or by using the like button. So I'll see you there to learn more. Merci. Au revoir.